learn your strength. So if you are good na magpakatawa-tawa ka, na walwal ka, then dito dapat yung focus. Ayaw pagpaka-as-if na compose. Na okay, ladies and gentlemen. Pero ikaw tayo, magwarong yun. Hoy! Asa naman mo? So be it!
Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video, and today it's a very challenging day for me. Although it's not new for me to talk in public, but it's different karon because I'll be having a workshop for those aspiring hosts from Ustp. Thank you, by the way, to David Bang, to Joe Romantico, and Rico Suave, who helped me out for this. Na sila yung mga gipanghatag na points, na mga notes, which is very relevant later on to be shared. So right now, I'm still in a rush. Yeah, I'm rushing my material. Akong gina-finalize. We're mga 2,300 slides. Mga ganun siya from the PowerPoint. So, I'm excited. But I'm heading in a cafe para ma-finalize na siya. And then later at 1, then maybe ato na ko sa USTP. Alright, so finally here at USTP at the venue at the AVR, and I'm currently right now here sa standby area, and I would like to take the chance, of course, to talk with the host club or ano ba, moderator. Ayan. Also a good friend of mine. Idol na ko. Right, so of course I'd like to take the chance to talk to you, sir.
Hi guys.
Sir John David Moncada, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello.
So why did you come up with the workshop?
Yeah, I have to give credit to the officers of the host. They've been really working so hard, organizing and really establishing the organization is to provide an avenue for them to really develop more,
Yes.
hone more their talent or the skills in hosting, in speaking in the public. I believe that they already have this in them, but then, they just need like a little more push. And I'm glad and thankful that Jane responded positively to our invitation
Of course.
to do the workshop for the students.
MOR Pinoy Music Awards 2017 and also hosted events outside Mindanao.
What's in
Please
live?
help me welcome Miss Jane Abaday. A round of applause.
Hello! Hi guys! This side.
Okay na? Do we have another more questions? Okay, see. Ate Grace.
I have no question. So, as host or as human, so normal we're in the stage, right? So, how can we lessen na binawa ng mga big events na bitaw makakuha ng stage fright na binaka na mag-shake na ka na nanakas sa stage?
Oh my God. Thank you, Karen. Nakarelate ko ang mga questions. Ako ngayon sa mga, darling, normal na stage fright, but of course, kato balik ka understand the script, dapat kabalo kasi mo functions, and then, ayaw lang din pakaon sa audience. And later on in progress, mawala na din na siya. I'll tell you. So, muna siya, expose yun ang imuhang self. Okay? I tell you, kind of fright sa mga host, tama na siya sa first exposure. Kanang pag-intro pa lang mo, mga, diba? True na. Sa mga, diba? Sa mga ka-host. Pag-buman na siya, pag-buman sa opening remarks, okay na ka. Actually, mas pila lang yung mga, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, USTP, this is Nana, and this is our Intramuros 2019, and to formally open our program, let's welcome, pagbalik natin sa stage, oh, thank God, then, hinahinay lang yapon na siya. And kanang stage fright, hindi na siya diretsyo mawala from you. It takes pila pa ka-exposure para ma-overcome na nimo. So, there's nowhere na mawala na magkadlo kung di mo expose ang imong self.
As a host, kanaang feel mo na pa hindi ko kayo fully groomed.
Okay.
So, then, kasama ako for like events outside.
Okay.
Like things, birthdays, you know. Pero hindi na ko feel ang akong self as nag-be talent. Ginawa mo siya na akong self. Kung sa'yo mo ang mahatag na
Right.
advice.
True. Natay kita na naata sa period nga we are on there pero wala pa kaya sa atong self. I feel that before. But the key is you have to know your personality. Asa mo ko best? Asa mo ko nga I can be myself. Learn your strength. So if you are good na magpakatawa-tawa ka, na walwal ka, then dito dapat yung focus. Ayaw pagpaka-as-if na compose. Na okay, ladies and gentlemen. Pero ikaw ang tayo magwarok yun. Hoy! Asa naman mo? So be it!
Alright, so wow, congratulations to me. Nahuman na gyud ko og check. I've done my part, of course, of my presentation about OC 101 and it went well. Congrats to me. And right now, I'm giving them a task wherein kailangan nila mag-host to the event. I actually chose a love-themed event ko as there will be main host and then co-host from the crowd. And I only asked them for 4 things: how they will introduce themselves, how they will introduce the mga presentations, how will they toss from main host to the co-host down there sa crowd, and how they will properly extra. So ganun lang. So I'm giving them a minute or 2 for their practice sa ilahang sequence or flow, but yeah, so excited to witness their presentation. Check na kasi.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let's all welcome your host, the most fabulous, pretty, and handsome, Mr. Roy Makamada. A round of applause, please. After you
was a wrap. Thank you so much once again to USTP, the host club, to Sir John Moncada, and to all those who participated in the event, the workshop. Congratulations to us, and of course, congratulations to me. It was a challenge for me, of course, but it's much more on the fulfillment of sharing your talent, and of course, kung sa to ang mga naibawan. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and follow me on my social media accounts. And of course, see you on the next one. Bye!